Good afternoon, guys. As you know that I'm working on the interior, taking the interior out. This carpet here, I found a carpet which is a tan color carpet. Now this is a two-piece. The second piece starts right there under behind these seats, but this is the first piece. Now I have two options: either to take this carpet out and put the tan carpet in, or leave this in here, wash it, clean it, and then dye it in tan color. Now what do you guys think I should do? Because I've never done the dyeing before, but if the dyeing process is straightforward, easy, and this can turn into a tan color, then do let me know. So I'll be waiting for you guys inputs on this, and get you guys into the project also. So yeah, so let me know, and we'll go from there.